Hi everybody, I am Saeed and you are watching the Key channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to customize Windows 10 appearance. Watch the video completely because at the end of this video, you will see a really great adjustment for the taskbar. To personalize Windows appearance, click on Windows icon and then this key, Settings. Then click on Personalization. There is another way. Here's a shortcut. Right-click on your desktop and then choose Personalize. The first step, Background. You can see a preview of your background right here. You can choose between a picture or solid color. Let's start with solid color. We have a lot of different colors in here. You can choose one of them and you see a preview. And also, you can choose a custom color here. The other option is a picture. You have also a browse button here. You can find any picture that you want. This one, for me, seems to be great. Look at this. The next step is colors. You have three different choices: light, dark or custom. Let's start with custom. It means that you can change default Windows mode to light or dark. Look at the changes in taskbar and also in the startup menu. You can also choose default app mode. Dark is really dramatic. Look at this. This is really beautiful. You can also change the transparency. If it is turned off, the colors in here and here are more solid. And now you see a kind of blurred background. And your accent color. This is the accent color here, here, and also here. If I change it, for example, to red, all of these things will be changed here and here. And there is a really great feature in Windows 10 automatically pick an accent color for my background. Based on my background, the accent color is this. The other options that you have are light and dark. This is the light mode. Everything is in light mode. Apps and also Windows itself. If you put it on dark, everything will go dark. Instead, I prefer custom with dark and light. Next step, lock screen. This is the screen on which you provide Windows with your password. You can choose any picture that you want by browsing your computer. For example, this one seems to be great for me. The next step that we will be talking about is a Start tab. If you want to have more tiles in here, you can toggle this feature on and then you have 4 columns of tiles in here. If you use these shortcuts a lot, this is a really great feature for you. I believe that this is really strange not to see the apps on a start menu like this. Don't see any app in here, so I toggle it on again. If you want to see recently added apps in menu, you can toggle this feature on. And also, I believe that this one is very annoying for many people. If you toggle it on, you can see most used apps in here, right? You toggle it off. And also, this is very interesting for me. Use a start full screen instead of this screen. You can see this one. really beautiful. The last tab is Taskbar tab. You can toggle automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Then you have more space to work with your device. If you move toward the taskbar, you can see it again. This feature is related to tablet mode. You can use a small taskbar buttons. It is very nice for large monitors to see the icons in this size. And peak. This is the peak. If you move toward it and then click on it, you can see the desktop. If you toggle on this feature, you just move toward the peak and then you can see the desktop without clicking on it. And this is a really great feature of Taskbar. You can put it at bottom or on the left side. Those that use Linux, Ubuntu Linux, are quite familiar to this kind of scene. You can put it at the top, on the right side, quite strange and beautiful, or at the bottom. And the last point is about notification area. In some cases you don't see the battery icon or volume icon. You need to do another click on this part and then you can find them in here. It is quite annoying in some cases, for example when your volume icon is in here. To make it right, just click on select which icons appear on Taskbar. For example, I can toggle off the network. You don't see it in here anymore. You need to click in here to see it, right? For example, I want to see the network in here, the volume, the power, and also my firewall. So I can see my firewall in here without clicking on anything. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.